Several dangers left in the wake of Hurricane Melissa have one rural community on edge, even as schools in the area pivot to keep their doors opened. Krista Campbell reports.
From the outside, the Pear Grove Primary School in rural St. Catherine does not look like it's been through a Category 5 hurricane. But inside classes and other areas, one issue becomes apparent: leaks. And in these parts, it rains almost daily.
The school is leaking from corner to corner. Our storeroom for the canteen is leaking, the tuck shop is leaking, and the kitchen is leaking. We know where the leaks are in the kitchen area, so nothing is in the way. So as soon as the cook comes in, he dries up. Whoever opens up first, dries up. For the classrooms, we shift, we move. So I have to move my table, we set the pans, and we just shuffle up.
But an even bigger issue are the pests. Rats are on the hunt for anywhere they can find food.
This morning, when my husband dropped off some children, one ran out and jumped under the bus, and four of us were trying to catch him. However, the rat was just smarter than us, I guess. He got down the gully, we didn't catch it. We set traps and baits, because we have to protect the children and protect our water. We don't have piped water. So we do rainwater harvesting. So you have to protect your tank, your drums, all of that from leptospirosis.
But there's more.
Mongoose, they're just running up and down now. They're tame. They're not wild anymore because they have to come closer to home to find food.
The pests of all pests, mosquitoes, are tag-teaming against residents of Pear Grove with sandflies and black flies, popularly known as butlers.
I have to put on a pants to go wash because we just got light Sunday night, so you have to stand up outside and wash. And butlers is an issue. And the mosquitoes, they just quadrupled. And then the sandfly, that is the killer. I think the butlers and the sandfly is the killer. So what happens is you don't really feel it biting you. You just see the blood. Yes, so it's not like a mosquito bite. And it itches for a good while too.
Moira Patterson Walsh says she makes her own repellent to protect herself and children from the pests. For issue number 3,
a fallen light post across the roadway here in Pear Grove is a source of major concern for the students at the nearby primary school. Propped up by a bamboo stick, school administrators insist this temporary measure is not enough to prevent disaster, and so they take their own precautions.
So since we have opened, we have asked parents of the children who walk to make sure that they collect them, that they don't need to walk under that pole by themselves. So no child walks unattended under that pole. So you have to come for your child. And if nobody comes, so if you're waiting and nobody comes, the last teacher to leave the school compound will have to take that child.
She says the Education Ministry is working to have the issue fixed as soon as possible. The school is also racking up $4,000 every other day for generator use. Several kilometers away, the Hamwalk Primary and Infant School has its own issues. Our news team found it roofless and empty. And as the school awaits the funds to start rebuilding, classes have been relocated to the computer lab as well as the auditorium, which is now partially covered by tarpaulin. The principal tells me that school now operates from 7:50 in the morning to midday because of the damaged canteen, and that for now, only the core subjects, math, language arts, social studies, and science are taught. The principal says from talks with the Education Ministry, the rebuilding should start soon so that at least a makeshift structure can be constructed to have school return to normal, hopefully by January 2026. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.